Run like take 30 here. Click that, make sure Hotsync Manager's running. Okay, so here's the deal. The weak link is Hotsync Manager. Palm Desktop works just fine. But I just want to show that you can just use Bluetooth for Hotsync. You don't need a cable if you don't want to. But I'm just purely doing this for a Hotsync ID, this right here, which is not necessary to me. I use a hack to do that on most of my things, but sometimes I want a real Hotsync ID for fun. Anyways, all you gotta do, go to connection, make a new connection. I just called it custom Bluetooth. It's to a PC via Bluetooth. If you click that, then it'll scan for devices. I added that by having the computer as a trusted device right there. So that's all I had to do. And all you got to do on the computer is just just go here, Bluetooth, you're discoverable, then Palm can see you. And then that's all there is to it. I have it installing something too, just for fun, just for a little extra. It doesn't work every time, but that's because Hotsync Manager itself, up here, it's because that crashes. You can tell when it crashes if this icon goes away from down there. Yeah, with errors. It always can't back some stuff up. I don't know why. That's why I don't call Hotsync even a full backup either. It's not. See, it crashed. I think it crashes before it's able to back everything up. Whatever it was doing. That really should have been a home button, by the way. But yeah, so it crashes like that and you think, oh no, I can't do it. Because now if you try and do it, as an error because Hotsync Manager is not working. Click that. There you go, it's back. And of course, it doesn't have to install anything. Everything's backed up. Well, it's gonna crash again at the end, I think. But anyway, just showing how nice it is to do it on Bluetooth wirelessly. And I've got the light off because if I turn the light on, it looks a little washed out, you know? See, there it is. Can't back some stuff up. Oh, it's still there this time. Oh, no, there it is. It's gone. That's all there is to it. Turn that light off. I like seeing the screen. Oh, well, here's what I installed. G calculator. Oh, I don't have mathlib. Whoops. It's a big ripperino for me. I'm gonna say, what I actually use here is like a TX for everything. Let's see if we can't find mathlib on here. I forget because even I forget stuff doesn't have mathlib built in when it's this early. Because I know that Handspring, all the visors had mathlib built in for that. So there you go. It's real nice. Bow, triangle, solid, algebra. Touchscreen's not amazing on here, but it's not bad. Nice little calculator. But anyways, that's how you get a Hotsync ID. You have to Hotsync at least one time, and then it gets right there. And then it's right here. You have multiple profiles, whatever. You can install stuff from the desktop. Here, let me show you. Just say, oh, I want a dictionary. And you just select it, double click on it, and it'll get installed. There you go. But the way I install things is different. I use the card. Thanks, Tungsten T. We don't need your services right now. I install from the card on here. Go to Explorer, go to Card. And I'll just have a folder called Install. I just put stuff on there and I'm good to go. Oh, by the way, on here, I use multi-user hack. Preferences, well, you know, default Hotsync ID, you know, you can put whatever you want there. This one, this one's compatible with a lot of stuff, so, you know, I gotta go with that one. I've never hotsynced to this Palm TX as long as I've had it either. There you go, there it is. There he is. That's me, for real, for real. Oh man, I was testing all kinds of stuff on here. But anyways, that's how you do it. I am not hot syncing this because it is going to take a year to fully get everything off of there onto here. Backing up stuff is no joke on there, but I just want to show. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. Until next time.